Hey, this is me, Marvin of EverydayMarvinReviews.com. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Well, thank you very much for tuning in and checking out. This is going to be my Chase Bank review. Or, is Chase a good bank to bank with? It's going to be my Chase Bank review from an actual customer. Now, I was just going to shave and do all that before I did this video, but I kind of do more of an impromptu, kind of less rehearsed video just from an actual customer. I'm gonna be honest, my experience may not be reflective of everyone that works with Chase or everyone that does business with Chase, but me personally, I've actually had a good experience working with Chase and using Chase products and whatnot. So how it even started was I actually already had a bank account with another bank, and I actually have more than one bank account personally because I think it's actually kind of a good idea, because there's any number of things that can happen. So say for instance you lose your one bank card and you still have your other one while you wait for your other one to come in the mail or whatever, or say you're thinking about maybe multiple different offers, and it gives you some more options, I think, and things to bank with. It gives you more. To me, it's kind of good, I think, to have yourself and have your money in more than one spot, just in case say someone gets a hold of some information on one account they may not have for the other account, and vice versa. And so I'm going to talk about why I decided to go with Chase and what my experience has been with Chase so far. So actually, probably about 5 or 6 years ago, I was starting to get offers from Chase in the mail. They're basically saying that if I open up a checking account with them, that I would get, I think, $75 back or $50 back. And I was like, okay. I was kind of considering it, but I was like, I already have a bank account. I really don't think I need it. And so I waited. And I think it went up to like 100, and I was like, okay, well, I'm kind of considering it, and then finally they sent me something. I waited long enough, and finally it was 150, and I was like, well, at this point I really can't afford to not open up a bank account with them, because I mean, hey, that's an extra $150 that I wouldn't have normally. And so I took the flyer and the little postcard they sent me, and I went ahead and went online, and I created my account online. It was like a basic Chase checking account. I was like, $150 just to open up a checking account. I was like, why not go ahead and do it? And so I went online. I went through the whole online setup process with just a basic Chase checking account. And I think there was a code that was with the envelope thing. And on the initial process when I was going through the application online, I think I actually missed the spot where I'm supposed to put the code in originally, right? And so I'm like, okay. And then after I set my account, I was like, oh crap, let me go and see if there's like a special offers area or something like that where I can go in and enter this code in. And so I went and looked for it, and I think I found it, and then I put in the code that came with me again with the little postcard they had for the offer, right, or the coupon offer. And I put it in. I think I got back something in red, I think I got back like an error message saying, this code isn't valid or something like that. I was like, crap, I messed up and I didn't put it in on time, and now I'm not gonna get that $150. The whole reason why I even set up a Chase account, because of that. And so I was like, well, that's my fault. I should have just read the instructions in full, and I would have seen that code, and I could have entered it in at the appropriate time. And so flash forward to about 60 or so days later, I'll go check my Chase account on my phone with the Chase Bank app, which I love. That app is very smooth. It's very kind of intuitive, and it's a nice clean app. It's good for online banking and mobile banking. And so I go and I check my account, and all of a sudden I'm like, whoa, there's like a big increase in my account. All of a sudden I'm like, what's this? And so come to find out, go on look, investigate further, and sure enough, there goes that $150 checking, one-time bonus offer. I looked at my bank account, I looked in the detailed transaction history, and lo and behold, there was that $150 from Chase for the one-time bonus offer. And I was like really, really happy. I was, oh yeah, I got the money. And so I think that night I was already out with my friends. So I was like, okay, yeah, I really got to go out to eat now. And so it's a very happy moment. Now, any bank can initially make you happy by giving you some one-time offer. Anybody can really provide that, to be honest. Especially if you're already just thinking about setting up an account anyway. It's I think it's a good time to take advantage of that. But my relationship after that has been pretty good. When I put my money in Chase, it's normally available pretty quick, if not instantly a lot of times. I've always had really good transactions with Chase. Like when I would go to the bank and do deposits or deposit check or whatever, they've always been really, really friendly with me, and they make the transaction very smooth and just very just no no muss, no fuss type situation going on, and I was like working with Chase, and again, they seem to be very straightforward with me and whatnot. And I've also gotten offers for like credit cards and things from Chase as well, which I've worked with. Once you have the initial Chase checking account set up with them, to me, there's kind of a really good way to kind of start off to other things you may want. So, say for instance, a personal loan, for a car, finance a car, or to remortgage your home, or all kinds of things you can do. And to me, just having that checking account is just a good way to start a relationship with the bank that's well known as FDIC member, and so that's good. So I know an FDIC has certain rules and regulations that each bank has to follow, and Chase is automatically, since they're a member, they follow those regulations to help keep my money safe, which is very good. Dealing with Chase has been a very straightforward process for me and very simple, and it's also easy to transfer money through Chase. I actually use the Chase app quite a bit to transfer funds from my main bank account over to Chase, and then vice versa. It just has been really simple to do that. You should be fine, honestly, with Chase. I've heard stories about people who were upset with Chase or whatever, but to be honest, if you keep a balance in your account and you follow the rules that they have for keeping a checking account and keeping it, in check or regular whatever, you should be fine. If you don't plan to play by their rules or follow their terms and conditions for Chase, then you really shouldn't set up a checking account with them. So should you go with Chase? I think you should, because I think, again, it doesn't really hurt, honestly, to have a second checking account in case something goes wrong with one of your other accounts, you get tired of banking with someone else, you can always have that as a backup. And to me, again, I do believe it's smart to have your money in more than one spot than just having it all in one bank all the time. And it makes me feel more secure as a consumer to know, okay, if something is acting weird on this one account, I still have my other bank account I can switch stuff over to, like for direct deposits or whatever it is I may need to do. And so I'm going to take this time right now, because I've had this is a really good experience with Chase, and I would recommend Chase to anyone who their most basic checking account can be set up for just $25 just to start a deposit, and the fee, I believe, is $12 a month, unless you either have a deposit that's at least $500, once a month coming into your account that'll prevent that $12 fee, or you have I think it's a minimum starting balance of $1,500 each day, each business day, or if you have a maximum, I believe, of $5,000 with all your linked accounts. And so I'm gonna have more information here. So I'm gonna have more information actually in this video, like little pictures and stuff, so we can actually read and see exactly what the rules are. But that's just what the rules, I believe, are, just going from the top of my head right now. They have multiple types of checking accounts. They have their basic one, they have a premier one, then they have like a platinum premier one, and so I'll try to have some details for each one in this video for you to see. But again, my relationship with Chase has been really good, and I've had my bank account for several years now. And again, it is my main one, but I like having it as an additional account to work with. And sometimes I don't want to give out my main bank account to everything that I'm doing. So sometimes I just rather have Chase a nice little backup for things, like little things I kind of want to get here or get there that I don't actually want to use my main bank account for. And so that's what I use Chase for. Again, that's kind of a backup account. And also it was nice getting that $150, which I think I got, again, what was within, in my case, it was like within like, I think 60 days. I apologize if I was talking really fast during this video. I'm going to take out some time right now to answer a couple of questions that people have had online about Chase. And hopefully this will help answer those questions for you real quick and help you with your decision to go ahead and start is Chase Bank a good bank to bank with? Hopefully it answers that question for you. So let's get started and put my glasses on so I can read these questions. So, and the other thing with the Chase app, you can set up to where every time you make a purchase on your account, it will send you a notification. Not to say that other bank apps don't do that, but mine is very good about doing that. I have never regret setting up my Chase Bank account. It's just smart to have, I think. Will Chase Bank accept rolled coins? Does Chase Bank take coins? Now, you can exchange up to $200 in coins as long as they're wrapped up. So if you have coins that you want to bring to the bank and get money in exchange for it, you're going to need to make sure those coins are wrapped first. And so wrap coins, I have a picture of what a wrap coin looks like here, because they're not gonna, you say for instance you bring a big old bag of money up there, they're probably not gonna sit there and count each one. They're gonna want you to have already wrapped them. Now it may be possible that some Chase banks may actually have like a machine that actually does that for you, but you need to call ahead and check that particular branch to see if they're able to do that for you. Otherwise, you'll need to have your coins already pre-wrapped before you get there to do an exchange or to make a deposit. The other question, does Chase Bank do personal loans? Yes, but not every kind of personal loan. So it says Chase Bank does not offer personal loans for things like paying off your credit card debt, taking a vacation, or financing a wedding, but it does offer a number of other loan products. As a consumer, you can get Chase Bank loans for different types of mortgages as well as buying a car. Okay, so hopefully that answers that question for you. Next question. Does Chase Bank accept cash deposits? Yes, if it is in your own account. I've done this through the bank drive-thru myself. I've gone inside to the actual branch and done a cash deposit. I've also done it through the ATM as well. And again, when I put my money in the ATM, it shows up, or it's made available, and most times instantly it's made available to me. I can't quote it for every time, but in most cases it's been made instantly available for me. Okay. Does Chase use Zelle, and does Chase Bank have Zelle? That's the other question. That's also very popular. Now, Chase customers now have broader access to an easy, safe, and fast way to pay other individuals through the Zelle network. When Chase customers use Chase's person-to-person payments functionality, they'll automatically see Chase Quick Pay with Zelle in the Chase mobile app and on Chase.com. So, and some people may be wondering, what exactly is Zelle? I'm going to give you kind of a rough summary of what it is. So, yes, so Zelle is simply an easy way to send money to friends and family without a lot of hassle, primarily through mobile devices. It can make money available instantly to receiving parties, even though the money itself may still have to go through the processing. So Zelle is just basically a way to send money peer-to-peer through your phone or through the website. The other question, does Chase Bank exchange foreign currency, or can Chase Bank exchange currency? The answer to that question is yes, okay? If you want more details on that, you can just go online to the website. Does Chase Bank convert currency/money? Again, the answer is yes. There's generally a charge for that, so you'll need to look up more details on the website or call the branch to figure out how much they're going to charge you to exchange money or currency. Does Chase Bank do home loans? Yes, the answer is yes. You want more information on that? Again, go to the Chase site. Does Chase Bank do home improvement loans? The answer is yes on that. Can Chase Bank notarize or do notary public? Yes, they do. Can Chase Bank cash checks? Yes. How much money do you need to open an account with Chase? $25 to open a basic checking account. Again, it'll be a $12 monthly fee. You need to have to avoid that $12 monthly fee, you'll need to have at least a $500 direct deposit each month, or a minimum balance of $1,500, or an average of $5,000 in all your linked accounts. How much does it cost to open a Chase Bank account? It's $25 again to open a basic Chase account. $25 for Chase Premier Plus checking. Chase Premier Platinum checking is $100, and Chase College checking or high school is $25. What do I need to open a Chase account? A driver's license, social security card, initial deposit, and proof of residence. And you also can use a Chase coupon code if you have one, which I have one in this video. So I have a Chase coupon code link in this video, as well as in the description box for you guys to check out. They have a special offer going on right now where if you set up a new Chase checking account with them, they will give you $200. And then if you also set up an additional savings account with them, they'll give you an additional $150. So you'll get $350 just for creating a new Chase account if you're a new Chase customer. So again, I'll have a link for that in here, as well as in the description box. And also I'm going to have some bonus offers that you will only probably find on this particular video, in this description box, and in this video, just for you guys, the ones who have decided to watch this video and take out time to hear my opinion and my experiences with Chase. Not only can you get those bonuses, which will run out pretty soon for a limited time only, so make sure you hop on that. But then you'll get a couple other cool bonuses that I'll have in the description, like from favorite food app, Uber, Lyft, Ebates, online classes for Skillshare, and a few other things will be included in this video just for you guys checking out my video. I appreciate you guys taking out time to listen to me and my experiences with Chase. And answering the question, is Chase Bank a good bank to bank with? And so the other question, is Chase a member of FDIC? Yes, it is a member of FDIC. And if you don't know what FDIC stands for, it just stands for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. And what that does is it preserves and promotes public confidence in the U.S. financial system by insuring deposits in banks and thrift institutions for at least $250,000, identifying, monitoring, and addressing risks to the deposit insurance funds, and by limiting the effect on the economy. And so with that should actually cover most of the questions that people have for Chase on whether you want to go ahead and set up an account. Should you create a Chase bank account? I recommend you should, because again, I think it's smart. If you never even had a checking account, to go ahead and go there and set up one. It's real simple to set up. Again, you just need your driver's license, social security card, proof of residence, and your initial deposit to create your checking account. If you don't have one, then go ahead and create one with Chase. Chase is one of the best, well-known banks around. That's just coming from my own best bank reviews. If you're going to choose a bank, Chase is actually a really good bank to choose. And also it just helps you build up a good business relationship with them, so in the future, if you're looking to do like a home improvement loan or finance a car, something like that, you already have that working relationship with them to go there and easily transition on to the next level. And so again, I hope you enjoyed this review. Again, right now they have a special Chase coupon code offer, which I'll have in my link here, which will be in the video as well as in the description box for you guys to check out. Again, if you go ahead and click that link right now and go to the Chase site and create yourself a brand new Chase checking account, you can get yourselves $200 into your account. I believe that actually is put into your account within a few weeks. It may even be sooner than that. And then if you create a savings account in addition to that checking account, you can get an additional $150 back as well. So that's $350 just for creating a checking and savings account. If you've never had a checking account, if you've never had a savings account, or if you want an additional checking and savings account, you're just looking for which bank to do it with, go ahead and go with Chase. Again, they're a well-known bank. They're a member of the FDIC. They have a really good, strong, well-known relationship and reputation. And so, to me, I feel like you just really can't go wrong going with Chase and creating a Chase account. And again, for anyone who goes through my link, there's some special bonuses just for you guys. Again, for checking out my link and taking advantage of that Chase coupon code offer to get you some cash back, as well as some other cool freebies in this video, again, as well as in the description box. So again, thank you for watching. This is Marvin of Everyday Marvin Reviews. I'm happy you decided to watch me today. I hope you found this video very informative and helpful. Go ahead and check out that link now. Go get your cash back. Again, it's me, Marvin of Everyday Marvin. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and you have a great day.